Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how you can delete transaction history in GCash. First, open the GCash app on your device, then log into your account. Tap on the transactions on the lower part of the app. You'll see here all of your transaction history. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can tap the request transaction history, where GCash will send it to your email. As of now, with the current version of GCash, it is not possible to delete your transaction history through the app or the account settings. But let me show you a possible way on how you can do it. As you can see, we'll be using an iPhone device, but this method you can use any device that you want. When you're in the Home tab of GCash, navigate to the Help button on the upper right corner and simply open it. Next, tap on Chat with Gigi. It is located on the button on the lower part of the screen. Simply wait for it to load and you'll be redirected to Help Center, where you'll be chatting with Gigi, the GCash customer support bot. What you're going to do here is to simply type your question in one message in the text box below, or you can simply type a message where you want to talk with a customer support representative, but sometimes you need to submit first a ticket. I'll show you how it is done. Let's simply type submit a ticket, then next tap to submit a ticket button provided by Gigi. Now you'll be redirected to another window where you need to enter the necessary details of your GCash account, such as your email address, registered full name, country, mobile number, and concern category. For the concern category, you'll just need to set it on my GCash account. Now let's move with the text box where you'll be able to type your concern. You can just simply enter on the box that you want to delete your transaction history and wait for the ticket to be submitted, and a customer support representative will get back to you regarding the matter of your GCash. Take note that by deleting the transaction history, you won't see all of it, so make sure that you're fully ready before doing it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.